Hi, hello friends, and welcome to Code Surface. Do you want to learn HTML with basic tags to advanced level? This is the right video for you, and I will be uploading the HTML in series with many parts as possible. I'm going to just elaborate it with so that you can just understand what I'm trying to say, and you can learn it very easily and quickly. And this will be the official video of the first part, and this is the HTML series part 1. And in this video we will be seeing doctype head and body tags, and I'm going to just run this on the VS Code editor. We have already posted a video how to download VS Code editor and just some extensions in addition. I've just created the HTML snippet. Just type HTML:5 and here is the basic snippet, and I'm going to just explain to you how this snippet actually works. I've just typed some other thing random. I'm going to just show that in this. I'm going to just paste this right away now, and here you can see some meta tags over here, and these meta tags will be just thought for you afterwards, and this is not now just important for you. Here are some basic tags for HTML. This is the basic skeleton of that and the root word. Now the first tag will be doctype HTML. What is just referred to? All the documents must start with a doctype declaration. The declaration is not an HTML tag. This is not actually an HTML tag. We are going to just specify the computer that this file here, this document here is HTML. The document type, doctype refers to document type, and we're going to declare it that this document type is HTML, because the computer can't itself just understand this, so we have to tell it that this is HTML file. And the next tag will be HTML, because we are going to just create an HTML, so we are going to just start with the HTML tag, and each and every tag has a closure tag which is /HTML, which is at the bottom. But some tags may not have the closure tag for that, which is the slash, the same word will be not there. For head, for body, it has a closure tag, but for doctype and some other tags which we're going to see in future will not be having the same type of closure tag. So in HTML there is a lang equal to en, which refers to the language English. So we're going to just specify that. I'm going to just upload videos in the I'm going to just type the code in language English. And in the section of head is just the header part of the code, and there will be some title. The title refers to the HTML code tag that allows you to give a page the title of that page. So in the title I'm going to just specify our channel name, which is Code Surface, and the next is the closure tag for the head that closes the head section. The head section starts and it closes. The title start, closes. Then the body starts and the body is closed now. And the body tag, that is the key of the HTML. We are going to just type every single tag inside the body tag. So it is basically the root of HTML, and every single thing we are going to type will be displayed only if we type inside the body tags. And this is the basic skeleton of what the HTML tags are actually is. If you haven't subscribed for a channel, please just subscribe and click the like button so that we'll get more supported, and we just upload more videos based on CSS. And I'm just going to try to upload videos in CSS, which will be a future plans, and it will be just uploading shorter in terms. So these sets of tag are the basic just skeletal tag for HTML, and you have to just know this. And if you right click there, and you can click the open with live server, because we have already installed live server, and there is a already video which is in my bio. You can just click that and see. And the heading shows here is code surface, which we have given in the title. That is the actual words what we given in the title. And if you give any other title, you can just specify your title, right? And it will be just showcased in the top right of the corner. Sorry, it's top left. And that is what the title actually refers to. And at the last, you have to close the HTML tag, but certain tags does not have HTML. And please do like, share, subscribe our channel. And this is the basics, and you just go through this video once and twice and learn it, because this will be more useful for future. And thank you guys.